Sometimes I wonder when my mother first fell in love with baking. Truth is, I'll never really know. But I grew up in a house where spice was love. I remember waking up before the rooster even think to crow, and the whole house would be warm with her cooking. My mother cooked like she was praying. Slow, intentional, full of heart. Every meal was her way of saying, "You're loved." And sometimes when I thought about leaving home, I now realized it wasn't the place I feared losing. It was the smell, that aroma of spice and coconuts and identity. Because in Jamaica, food isn't just food, it's belonging. It was the first story my mother ever told me, and the one I still carry on even to this day.